Okay, have to finish this up. Sorry. And I'm also eating dinner now. So we got the withdrawal method. Sterilization is going to be when you have a vasectomy where healthcare providers close or block the tubes that carry sperm. A sterilization for females is when healthcare providers close or block a woman's fallopian tubes. This is actually done by cutting and tying tubes, closing the tubes with electric current, or closing tubes with clips, clamps, and rings. And yes, I can still eat and discuss this. So, who is amazing right now? And scary. Me. Pros. Permanent, requires no attention. Cost effective. Males is actually less complicated because actually you're going to do like a little incision near the, or is it behind? I think it's actually behind the testes. They're going to pull out the sperm duct and then just snip it. Obviously, possible regret, does not protect you against STI. Women's require more surgery. It's more complicated and risky. It's not reversible. The more ask the pro. We've talked. I talked about this in class before because of Ivy, because he asked a question, or was it Ivy? If it wasn't you, Ivy, I'm sorry. It should not be used as a method for regular birth control. It's emergency contraceptive only. Key word. Oh, I just threw rice. Emergency. It's a pill taken to prevent pregnancy after unprotected intercourse. The pros, it can be taken in emergency. The cons, nausea and vomiting. That's a lot to take in. And there are many options for birth control. So it's tough to say what's best for you. Obviously, I'm just making a mess. I'm spilling rice everywhere. Obviously, the most effective birth control is knowledge. And if you need more knowledge, you can always ask me or your parents or another teacher you trust. And I also gave you this. Hopefully the sub has passed it out. If not, it's in that middle desk area. That's a mess. Yeah, it just tells you the percentage of effectiveness. So obviously, male condoms are only 18% effective in ensuring that you don't get pregnant. So keep that in mind. Okay, that's done. We're good. I'll see you. Do the plant work. And then we're going to learn about plant sex, which is actually not that interesting. It's really boring and kind of creepy. Bye, guys.